Are Piguiay GLP-1 Drops really the miracle fat-burning solution they claim to be? Or just another overhyped product targeting desperate buyers looking for quick weight loss? The company behind these drops promises a long list of benefits, from torching stubborn fat, boosting your metabolism, suppressing your appetite, balancing blood sugar, and even improving overall wellness. But when we took a closer look, things didn't add up. The so-called clinical certificates on their website look either expired or completely fake, and they're using stock images of doctors to gain trust, which is a major red flag. Even more concerning are the dramatic before and after transformation photos that appear to be edited or possibly stolen from other sources. While the product website is full of 5-star reviews claiming life-changing results, there's absolutely no sign of honest third-party reviews or real user testimonials outside of their own platform. This doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but the lack of verified information makes it very hard to believe the hype. If you're thinking of trying Piguiay GLP-1 Drops, it's smart to approach with caution, especially when it comes to your health. The product link is tagged in this video if you still want to check it out yourself, but don't fall for surface-level marketing without digging deeper.